Hey everybody, 9.3, we're going to revisit this track. Last time we saw this, we found the circumference of the inner part of the track and the outer part of the track. This time, we want to know what the area of the running track only is, all right? So on this one, we got several things to do. Just like with the circumference, we're going to have the inner rectangle and then move these in for a full circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first find the area of this rectangle for the football field. So in order to do that, we know that area is length times width. So that means I'm going to do 73 times 84.39. Okay. Now, when I put that in my calculator, I get that is somewhere around 6,160.5. Now, I rounded to the tenths place like I've asked y'all to do. Remember that the tenths place is one place behind the decimal. So then I wanted to find the area of the circle. And we know that is pi times radius squared. Okay? So here's the diameter. Half of that would be the radius, and that's going to be pi times 36 and a half times 36 and a half. Okay? zero point 0.5 is the same thing as half. And when I actually put that in, that gives me somewhere around 4,183.3 square meters. Okay? Don't forget to put your unit. Now to get the total, I have to add this and this. So when I add those together, I get 10,343, somewhere around 0.7.8. I did some rounding based on what I got, and that's once again is meters squared. Now, that's for the football field. That's the area of the football field. Now, in order to get this, I've got to find the area of this entire figure. So once again, that means that I have to increase my circumference, my diameter, by both of those. And when I add 9.76 here and 9.76 here to 90 to 73, I'm going to get 92 and 52 hundredths meters for that diameter. That's my diameter. Now that's also going to serve as the width of the rectangle. So the next thing I want to do is just deal with my rectangle just as I did over here. And that's going to be 84.39 times that 92.52. Okay. And when I do that, that's going to give me an area of 7,807.8. Okay, and once again, since that's an area, that's meters squared. Now, the area of this entire circle, since this is the diameter, I want to take half of that. And when I take half of that, that gives me, for my area of my circle, pi times radius squared, which would be 46.26. And that whole thing is squared. Okay. And that's going to give me approximately 6,719.6. Now, once again, I have to add these two together. So I got to add that area and this area together, and I'm going to get a total area for the entire shape of 14,527.4 meters squared. Now, this question says we only want to find the area of the track. So when I do that, I've got to subtract this and this. And when I subtract that, I get 4,183.7 meters for the track.